Hi everyone, it's Ryan from TemplateMonster. In this video tutorial, we're gonna be talking about WordPress themes installation process. I have installed a clean WordPress installation for you. This is how the admin section look, and this is how WordPress theme looks right after the installation. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to install theme with the predefined sample data. The sample data will be based on the one-click installer plugin. This plugin allows the sample data installation within several clicks, and it will set the content, the sample content for you. Alright, let's get it started. First of all, you should download the website template. In other case, it's a WordPress theme. I have downloaded a zip file with the entire template package. Now I'm going to unzip it. I'm using the 7-zip unzipper. I have unzipped the folder, the zip file with the template. There we can see WordPress themes. This one is a parent theme and this one is the child theme. We can also see the demo content folder and the folder called documentation. That's what we should access at the first place. Alright, I have opened the documentation. In such particular case, we can see that the author has added several sections, some video tutorial, and divided the documentation on several sections. I'm going to check the Getting Started section. In this section, we can see WordPress server requirements. I suggest you to check this section because often the installation, the sample data installation process may not finish due to the specific hosting issues. That is why it is always recommended to check the server requirements and make sure that you're on the safe side. Right there, I can see the theme installation process. We can see that the author has described the basic installation process, provided the screenshots, and other steps required for theme installation. I'm going to follow these steps and perform the theme installation. I'm going to Appearance Themes section. There I should click on Add New. Then I'm clicking on Upload Theme and then on Choose File. I'm going to the zip package I have downloaded to the unzipped folder, to be exact, not to the zip package. I have accessed the unzipped folder and click on the theme. The parent theme will be installed. Then I'm clicking the same buttons and perform the same steps in order to install the child theme. The child theme allows customization of the theme without any kind of issues related to the parent theme. You can add the custom CSS code and perform other actions that the template provider allows you in the child theme. Alright, right after theme installation, we can see this dialog. This dialog tells us that we should install plugins bundled with this theme. We are going to click on Begin installing plugins. It's better to check this box and apply bulk actions. Click on select the install and click apply. Alright, the installation process is going. Meanwhile, I'm gonna check the documentation for the next steps. Alright, those steps are described already. I can see that the author has provided the demo data, instructions, and for one-click demo importer instructions as well. This is what I'm gonna use in order to show how to install the sample data. Alright, it takes some time to download the plugins from WordPress repositories. Sometimes author bundle plugins with the theme. However, in most cases, the plugins are being downloaded from WordPress sources and plugin providers. Alright, now I am going to activate all the plugins again with the bulk action. Here we go, all the plugins are activated. I'm going to return to the dashboard. There we can see that all plugins are loaded and they are enabled. At this point, we can continue the template installation and install the template sample data. In my case, the blank installation was used. That is why it is recommended to apply the sample data to the website with the blank content, get the site up and running, and perform your customization right after that. Sometimes the plugins may ask you to perform certain actions, like perform some kind of registration. They may show some kind of messages you need to check. Just check those messages. You can ignore them. You can take advantage of the actions they are offering, or simply click and close the window. I'm going to click on register in such specific case because this plugin provides access to Google Forms and etc. Alright. Like I said before, this theme comes with a one-click installation sample data plugin. In our specific case, we are going to install the sample content and make the website look like the live demo that was provided by the template provider. In most cases, the one-click installation plugin can be accessed by going to the Appearance Import Data section. There we go, you can see the theme screenshot and Import Demo Data button. One moment, I'm going to check the installation steps within the documentation. Alright, there we can see that we should access Appearance, Import Demo Data section and click here. And then agree with the dialog and continue the import process. Okay, let's click it there, and then I'm going to ignore those plugins because such plugins are optional and they are not required for the theme. Click on continue and import. Great, the import process has started. The import process may take 2 to 5 or even 10 or 20 minutes. It all depends on your hosting, service, on performance of the website server, and it greatly depends on the sample data available in the theme. More content will be important, the more time you will need to wait. So a lot of factors are involved in this process. So in most cases, you should wait a reasonable amount of time, like 5 to 20 minutes, unless other specific information is specified by the template author. Alright, meanwhile, I'm going to show you another way of one-click demo import installation process when the sample data is not predefined and the template provider, the author of the theme, provide the files you should select and define during the import process. I have performed all the same actions to another theme. This theme is based on the same template also, but the sample data is not predefined in such particular case. I have opened the documentation and I am going to click on Getting Started section. There we can see pretty common and similar instruction, and right there we can see for one demo import instructions that tell that we should manually select the sample data files for one-click import plugin. Some template providers have both ways of installations. It all depends on the author of the theme. That is why I'm suggesting you to check the documentation of each template carefully and follow the installation steps. Alright, I have performed all the same steps and have uploaded the template, activated plugins, and I am going to go to the Appearance Import Demo Data section. Here we go. We can see that there are no predefined import files available for this theme. We should select them manually. Alright, in such specific case, the author provides such information. Let's check it. Let's look for this information. And we can see some of usable information regarding such way of installation with the Redux Frame plugin is this option. And we can see that all those files required for the sample data installations are located in the demo content folder. And all the instructions are provided. We have select the XML file, the JSON file for importing the widget settings for customizer, and Redux import option. This option is very important and often listed in the documentation right on the screenshot or somewhere in the installation steps. So we can see that this screenshot shows general example, and we can see that there is an option defined for such specific theme. Alright, let's go and import it. I'm going to select the XML file. I'm going to another template package. I have unzipped it and installed it like I said previously. I'm going to the demo content section and click on XML file. Yep. Then I am going to import widget JSON via file. Yep. Then I am going to select the .dat file. And then I'm going to select the Redux option. Here we go. And then I should specify the option name defined by the author of this theme. I'm checking if it matches the requirements. Yeah, example OPT. This theme is called one moment. That was an incorrect information. Hold on. I have copied it from wrong place, from wrong documentation, from another template. This template comes with a sample data installation predefined and with the manual installation method. I have mixed the documentation, but I have corrected this issue and everything should be fine now. So I'm going to click on continue and import. Then I have, not surprisingly, I don't have to confirm my actions in this case. Alright, meanwhile we can see that import of our main website template has completed. Right now I should follow the instructions that the template also provides in the documentation. In most cases I should set up the home page, the menu, and I may need to set up some other sections defined by the template provider. Alright, let's set the home page according to the instructions. I have the first step that tells us to go to the settings, permalinks. I'm going to the settings, permalinks, and I'm setting them like specified on the screenshot. Yep. Then I should go to the settings reading and define a home page and the blog page. Home blog. Pay attention that different template authors may provide different instructions. Even if the installation is based on the one-click installer model, some of them require such actions. Some of them don't require the actions related to setting up the home page and menu. In this particular case, the template also requires such steps and defines them in the documentation. Then we should also configure the menu. You can check the video tutorial, you can follow the steps specified by the template also and set your menu. Right now I'm going to assign each menu to the position defined on this screenshot. I'm going to the appearance menu section. There I can click on manage locations. Here we go. We can see that some of the menus are set, other menus require additional settings. I'm going to check top menu, main menu, one page menu, top menu, main menu, one page menu, footer menu, and then one mobile menu should be selected as main menu. Alright. Then the author may also provide additional information regarding the settings for specific plugins, for specific template data, and so on. Just follow them and be sure to contact the author of this template in case you have additional questions regarding the installation process. Alright, I'm going to reopen my website and check what's going on. The template is loaded. Alright, we can see that the sample data was applied. We can see that the sample content, sample images, sample sections, and everything that should be provided in this theme is included. That's great. One thing I have to point out is this post called Hello World. This post is available in the standard WordPress installation. The sample data adds content provided by the template also to the theme, but it doesn't remove the content in such specific case. It doesn't replace the entire content in such specific case. That is why we need to remove this post prior to the installation or after the installation process. I'm going to access the post section and find the Hello World post. I'm going to put it on trash and refresh my website. Here we go. We can see that the website shows up properly. Everything is fine, and our sample post was removed. Now I'm going to finish the installation of another template. I'm going to perform the same actions to this template with the manual sample data installation way of one-click demo import plugin. I'm going to go to the settings, permalinks, and assign them according to the information specified in the documentation. There we can see the same instruction. Pretty much everything is the same. Then I should select the home page as home, the post page as blog, and click on Save Changes. We go, and I should also set the menu. I should go to the Appearance menu section, and then I should go to the Manage Locations and assign the menu. Alright, the top menu is top menu, the main menu is main menu, one page menu is one page menu, footer menu is footer menu, mobile menu is main menu. Save changes. I'm going to access the website and check how is it going. Waiting for the loading process, we can see that our server is trying to connect to YouTube because the video is used in such case. The template is loading. There we go. We have installed the second template based on the one-click installation sample data, where the sample data should be defined manually. We can see that our website is up and running. Everything looks properly, everything is set just like on the demo provided by the author of this template, by the template provider. Alright folks, in this case we have two installation of themes. We have figured out how to install the templates. We have figured out how to perform the sample data installation based on the one-click installation module. We have also figured out how we can select the sample data manually for the template that don't have the predefined sample data with the theme. One more time, I should point out that you should select the theme, you should download the theme, unzip the template package, and open the documentation. The documentation has all the installation steps, all the instructions you need to set the theme. You should also know that you can contact your template provider, you can contact your author of the theme and ask questions regarding the installation process in case something is not clear for you. By the way, you can go to the TemplateMonster website in order to find a WordPress theme for your current website or for your next project. You may also access the TemplateMonster website in order to check what's going on there and check how modern templates look and perform. Questions, suggestions, recommendations, or missing information, please let us know in the comments to this video. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.